Welcome to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today I want to review a Bosch table saw I bought to replace my old Craftsman that I bought about 10 years ago, and it was really time to get rid of it. I've used it a couple times now and I really like it. I want to take a time to show you some of the great features it has and why it won me over. So first of all, it comes on this great rolling cart. It is gravity fed, so it's really easy to get up and down. So first let's take a walk around so you can see what it looks like. The first thing to take notice of is that all the components and accessories are stored such that you can put them away and store them while it's in the rolling position. So when we want to move it from the stored position and stand it up, there's a red handle to make it really easy to put it in the standing position. You can level the stand to the height you need with these wing nuts. It's easy to raise the ribbon knife up. You just pull up on that lever and raise up the knife. Then lock it in place. Nice easy crank wheel. The guard is stored on the underside of the table. It's easy to take on and off with a quick release. And snap it on just easily. The fence is all stored right underneath. I really like this fence. It's very sturdy and has easy lock handle. The last fence piece for narrower cuts stores easily on the back. This makes it really nice for narrow cuts. Stored on the side is a miter gauge. The miter gauge has a nice stop block, so you can stop it at 90 degrees or 45 on either side. Lock it in place just like that. And finally, also stored underneath, you have a push stick. So overall, those are all the accessories that it comes with. So you've got the big red stop button, the start button in the middle, and a big lever so you can get the angle cuts really quickly. Up to 45 degrees. Finally, this big red lever, you pull that up, easily extend the table, lock it in place. The markers also have a small screw, so if you need to make minor adjustments to get accuracy, you can do that here. One nice thing about this table saw is it's all enclosed. So a lot of table saws you see today on the market are open in the middle. So I like this because it keeps the sawdust to a minimum underneath. And then I'll show you when I fold it up how I'm going to change the bottom so that you can get that sawdust collection a lot easier. It does come with a 2.5-inch port that is directly under the knife, so it does pull a lot of that through here. However, you can see underneath there's really no protection there, so you really do still get a lot of sawdust at the bottom. And finally, you do have your wrench sitting here, easy to take off with this wing nut. Thanks for watching this review of the Bosch table saw. Hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe and check out more reviews and projects in Man Cave Garage Workshop.